In today's show, Chainalysis says that the Bitcoin price is stable for now, but that the future is uncertain. Also, the BTC price just surged 10% to 5,600 as stocks react to 750 billion euros in the EU stimulus. And guess what? We're still pumping. As I'm recording right now, Bitcoin is trading at $5,758, up 12.6% for the day. As you can see, the alt market is a sea of green, which is my favorite color to see. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we get right into today's show, last night, Teeka Tiwari held this live crypto event, 5 coins to 5 million, the final five tiny cryptocurrencies that can turn $500 into 5 million, thanks to a crypto market phenomenon guaranteed to hit in roughly 50 days. If you missed it live for a limited time, you can still catch the replay by clicking the link right down below this video in the description. It'll take you here and simply enter your favorite email address and click the button that says sign me up. And once you do, it's going to take you here so you can actually stream the replay for a limited time. Teeka Tiwari actually chartered this $45 million Gulfstream jet to take you to a top secret location so you can show you inside the crypto phenomenon. Be sure to check it out in case you missed it. It was phenomenal to say the least, and I look forward to your feedback in the comments right down below. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host JV, and let's dive right into today's top story of the day. Chainalysis says that the Bitcoin price is stable for now, but that the future is uncertain. Chainalysis posted their report for the Bitcoin market for March of 2020. According to the blockchain and crypto analytics firm, exchanges have experienced a huge inflow of Bitcoin since March 9th, receiving nearly 319,000 of the cryptocurrency on March 13th alone. However, between March 12th and March 13th, almost 9 times the average daily amount of Bitcoin was sent to exchanges to be sold, causing the price to plummet to the 3,000s. This represented Bitcoin's biggest daily drop in the last 7 years. So has the price of Bitcoin stabilized for now? Though the volume of the crypto inflow remains high, twice the daily average, according to Chainalysis, the price of Bitcoin appears to have stabilized for the moment. Here's what they said. The majority of excess Bitcoin arriving at exchanges has been sold, and the worst of the oversupply appears to be finished for now. The firm offers some possible explanations for the price leveling out after such a tumultuous period. Though transfers between 10 and 1,000 Bitcoin accounted for 70% of the flow of the crypto through exchanges, Chainalysis says the overall amount of Bitcoin wasn't enough to do lasting damage. Here's what they said. The majority of available Bitcoin was not cashed out, suggesting that most Bitcoiners are happy to hold. At 712,000 more than average, the amount of Bitcoin sent to exchanges in the last 8 days is unprecedented, but this extra 712,000 represents just 5% of available Bitcoin, all mined Bitcoin minus all lost Bitcoin. So the future disruptions to the crypto market, with retail business shutting down across the US and more companies being forced to let their employees work from home, the future of all financial markets is uncertain. International travel restrictions to combat the spread of the coronavirus continue to change on a daily basis, which has delayed or canceled crypto events worldwide. Despite this uncertainty, Chainalysis still plans to use traditional indicators to monitor Bitcoin. Here's what they had to share. It's hard to predict where the Bitcoin market will go next. However, large increases in exchange inflows have proven to be a good indicator of increased volatility, so we recommend keeping an eye on the amount being transferred to exchanges. We also expect that professional traders will continue to drive events as opposed to retail exchange users, simply because they're responsible for much larger volumes. And in other crypto news, the Bitcoin price surges 10% to 5,600 as the stocks react to 750 billion euros to the EU stimulus That is right. BTC price reaches a 6-day high. Taking a look at the crypto market, we're currently trading at 5,761 with BTC up 12.71% in the past 24 hours. Nonetheless, analysts were not expecting major upward momentum to build as Cointelegraph reported Wednesday, saw fresh warnings from veteran trader Tone Vays, who said that he was prepared for Bitcoin to dip to as low as $2,000 by May. For Cointelegraph markets analyst Phil Philb, the short term was likely to see ranging between $4,000 and $6,000. He said, "We want to see a clear rejection below 4,800 and focus trade above. It's going to be real choppy for a while," he told subscribers of his Telegram trading channel on Wednesday. Continuing the measured response to the latest market conditions, statistician Willy Woo believed it would take time for Bitcoin to recover fully. He recently tweeted earlier today, "The next key event is confirmation of Bitcoin decoupling from traditional markets. Here's a bunch of charts. Many are bullish. I will note that I don't expect a V-shaped bottom. I think there will be time, an accumulation range before moving up." And then he included this, which was published 4 hours ago. Gold and Bitcoin hinting at a decoupling from the S&P 500 starting 3 days ago. Gold may be forming a double bottom, while Bitcoin may be forming an accumulation pattern. And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description, comparing the S&P 500, gold, and Bitcoin. And taking a look at some more tweets from Willy Woo, he wrote, "Bitcoin miners' energy ratio made a strong rebound, lots of energy being pumped into the network. Bullish data from Cambridge Center for Alternative Finance." And then he also included, "Difficulty ribbon expansion after a time of compression is generally seen as bullish. I think this is a lower confidence read. It's quite early, but reinforces the mining behind Bitcoin is solid. The network is strong." And then he went on to add, "SOPR being on-chain net position of investors is recovering. Wrecked investors are now out. This is bullish." Data provided by Coinmetrics. And the last tweet he shared, "Nobody went broke buying Bitcoin at these levels. On-chain RSI if you are in it for the long game." Touché. On traditional markets, meanwhile, losses were stemmed by an announcement of a huge new stimulus package to counter coronavirus. This time it came from the European Central Bank, the ECB, and was worth 750 billion euros. In the wake of a muted reaction to similar efforts by the Federal Reserve in the past week, Christine Lagarde, president of the ECB, said that there were no limits on potential financial measures. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, it's not only Bitcoin that's pumping right now and up almost 13%. Ethereum is up almost 15%, trading at $128. XRP up almost 9%, trading at 15.5 cents. Chainlink up 20%, trading at $2.18. Miss Litecoin up almost 11%, trading at $36. BNB coin up 14%, trading at $11.40. BSV pumping up almost 12%, trading at $126. And Bitcoin Cash up 10.5%, trading at $191. So as you can see, the altcoins and the entire crypto market is pumping. Hallelujah. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, it's currently sitting at $155 billion with $127 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. And the current BTC dominance is 64.5%. So it's been on the climb. And taking a look at the top gainers within the top 100, let's check it out. We have Steam up a whopping 142%. Holy moly, trading at 31 cents. We have Numer Air up 135%, trading at $11.73. We have Engine Coin, ENJ, up 51%, trading at 7 cents. We have Status up 49%, trading at 1.2 cents. We have Komodo up 44%, trading at 42 cents. And we have Bitcoin up 28%, trading at 0.0002. And now for the biggest losers, Wax down 14%, trading at 3.5 cents. Binance stablecoin down 2.4%, trading just below 98 cents. Status Euro stablecoin Paxos, stablecoin, True USD, stablecoin, Tether, stablecoin. So the biggest loss is there's only one Wax and all the rest are just stablecoins. Go figure. That's because there's massive green gains in the market, which is what I love to see. How about yourself? Let me know in the comments down below if you're pretty excited to finally see some bullish momentum kick back in this market, especially during an economic crisis like we're experiencing right now. And taking a look at the crypto greed and fear index, we're currently rated a 12 in extreme fear. Yesterday was 11 with extreme fear, and last week a 10 with extreme fear, and last month we were rated a 44 in fear. And if you're not familiar with this indicator, the crypto greed and fear index, extreme fear, which is where we're currently at, represents a sign that investors are too worried, and this can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown, we have 54 days, 5 hours, 29 minutes, and 11 seconds left to go until May 12th, the estimated date of the block reward halving. This is a very bullish event built into the DNA of the Bitcoin blockchain. So once this occurs, if history rhymes, we're going to see a parabolic rise in the crypto market. A lot of liquidity pumping into cryptos, as Tika Twari shared behind the scenes yesterday at that secret location. He was sharing with us all these big bankers, right? Injecting large sums of money into cryptocurrency. Crypto is not dying. Crypto, we're at the cusp of, is just getting started. There's a crypto revolution. There's been a financial reset, and we're on the cusp of it all right now. So the total Bitcoins in circulation currently, 18,277,000, and the total Bitcoins which will ever be produced and in circulation is 21 million. But guess what? Approximately 1/3 of those Bitcoin are lost forever. So there'll only ever be 14 million Bitcoin. Talk about scarcity. And guess what? There's no quantitative easing with the Bitcoin blockchain. You can't just print Bitcoin out of thin air. Thank God. Hallelujah. In Bitcoin, we trust. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking show more in the description right down below for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. And this goes for all of my videos right here on my channel. I also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. You can download the latest episode of the show every single day because it's updated daily. Also, please subscribe on YouTube if you haven't yet already done so. You already know what to do. And I could also be found, our show here, on all the major podcasting platforms, including Apple's iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, TuneIn. So whichever podcasting platform you're active on, please help support the show. It's greatly appreciated. You can also follow us on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes to receive daily crypto news alerts. And I also have a private crypto Facebook group. To become a part of that, all you need to do is click this link, request to join, and I'll make sure you get plugged in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat. To become a part of that, click this link specifically from a mobile device and you'll automatically be added. And I'm looking forward to connecting with you on the inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto revolution. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, Tika Twari, 5 coins to 5 million, the final 5. If you missed this live last night, you can still catch the replay for a limited time. This is where he shares 5 tiny cryptos that can turn $500 into 5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon guaranteed to hit in roughly 50 days. To register and check out the replay for yourself, be sure to click the link right down below this video, enter your favorite email address, and click the button that says sign me up. And once you do, it's going to redirect you here to check out the stream from the live broadcast, which could be watched here only for a very limited time. So if you're interested in hearing it directly from Tika Twari, going on this chartered $45 million jet to a top secret location to find out more inside the phenomenon, be sure to register. Click the link right down below this video in the description. Check it out. Leave me some comments here on the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's show. Peace.